Okay, my name is Shapipi, and right now I'm gonna go get some stuff. Or no, you know what? I'm just gonna walk around. The heck? The heck? What the heck? Oh no, it's the police! It's the police! Oh no! Oh no! No! I'm not done. You get off! You gotta wait a second. Wait a second. You're my brother.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, so you're the cop now?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I was gonna go and get the mail, but you know, you had to knock me down.
Well, the fuck? Why would you running from a cop? You know you can't run from a cop.
You're my brother.
Yeah, but I didn't realize you were my brother. Oh my god.
Okay, then. What do we do now?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's just go over here. So, what are you doing now for a living?
I just arrest people if they do cocaine and stuff.
What the hell?
I
That's
mean,
just messed up, but okay.
I know people do cocaine. That's messed up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're bad for the environment.
Oh, okay.
They also put cocaine in gardens and stuff. Like they say,
Uh-huh.
oh no, that's not drugs. Those are salt. I know, bitch. It is salt or cocaine.
Uh-huh.
Who lies? Well, what you been doing all these years?
Well, since I failed college, I guess I just decided to be just a chef.
Oh.
And I do not have a diploma or anything.
I
So
heard
pretty
you
much,
I heard you were slave from Bowser.
yeah, I kind of am a slave from Bowser.
Oh, I feel sorry.
Yeah, I only get paid 20 cents a year, so
Whoa, I get $100 each day. What?
wow, that sucks. Well, my life is a mess. So what about yours?
Just these assholes that run, and then I always get tired of running. You know how it feels.
Uh-huh. Why don't we just practice right now?
Okay, ready?
Okay, so I'm gonna be the runner, and then you're gonna tell me to stop, and then you're gonna follow me and check, and just like practice. So yeah,
Sure.
okay, let's go.
Stop right there.
Practice. Okay. See, you have to get. Okay, see that's good enough. That's good enough. See,
Don't touch
that's good. Okay.
You know I'm your brother.
That's good enough practice, but
Yeah.
we need a little bit more work.
Okay. You know.
Wait a
shoot.
second. There's a cat.
Oh.
You see that?
Hey, cat.
Hey, kitty cat. This
Okay,
was not planned for this video.
Who's?
Look at this cat. Look at this fat ass cat.
Okay, that was just a cat. Okay.
If it comes after us, I'm gone.
I mean, this is on purpose, so I'm gonna have to arrest you if you.
Fuck you.
Come on, let's go.
Fuck you, bitch. Practice. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god. 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 Oh no. Pink. Oh.
I got you.
What happened? That was just practice. God damn it. Okay, but let's go back. It was adorable. Gone.
It's not even your ball. Oh my god.
Nope, I think we've done enough practicing for a day.
Yeah.
Now what should we do instead of freaking getting each other?
I'm not sure. Probably. Let's have. Oh god. Okay.
No, I'm not having sex with you.
You know.
No.
You know that's gay. So you gay.
That
Oh,
is.
you
I never said I wanted to.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, let's get through here.
You're so gay.
Ow, 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 ow!
Oh my god, this spine. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to tell the person that to cut it because that's illegal.
Yeah, true. Okay, but let's go.
Brother. So,
I want to see my Pokemon.
you collect Pokemon, you little kid? Nah,
I
just
do.
kidding.
Okay, look, I'll show you them
I
right
actually
now.
have the old school Charizard. It's the most rarest, and also Mewtwo. It's really rare. I bought it with my own money.
I got this one.
It costs like $500.
I got
I do get paid every day. Like,
this
wait, is
one.
it a week? 5 days? I'm not sure. Okay.
I got
Well,
this
every 5
one.
days I get 100 plus
And I got
500
this one.
days. Wait. Oh my god.
And I got this one.
You know, that's
Okay, let's just go.
that's cheap.
That's not
as
cheap.
hell.
That's not cheap. That is not
Well,
cheap.
you probably pulled it out, but I actually
What?
bought it.
Shut up! Ow!
That's not-
Ah!
yeah, you.
My
I'm sorry, brother.
my face. Oh, no. Okay, bye.
I'm sorry, brother.
Just don't do that again.
Oh, fine.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. Got pissed
Okay.
off.
Come here.
No, yo,
Oh shit! Oh shoot!
That's it,
I missed!
that's
I missed! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh shit! Oh shit! Shoot! Oh my god! This is the plan. He fell down. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Okay. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
Okay. There. Oh no.
I got all these dirt on my face. Oh, that's Don't ever.
Okay, so this is going to be the end.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Bye.
Yeah.